What's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. Yeah, I don't know what that was, but today we're gonna be doing some work on the AE86. Nothing crazy like an engine swap, but these small things are also pretty cool to do. Today we're gonna be installing a Cusco oil catch can. And I know it is not the most exciting thing to install in the world, but I've been putting this off for a while, and every car should probably have a catch can. So I decided to buy one like 3 months ago, and it took so long to come in, all the way from Japan, I'm guessing, but it looks so damn cool for something so basic as a canister. This thing looks like a toy. I probably had it for a couple weeks now, and I just put this thing on the shelf on my room and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna collect this thing. I don't even want to open it anymore. It looks so damn cool. I don't know if you've ever seen the 40-year-old version, but he just has a bunch of toys on his shelves. Like say right there, up there, everywhere, and they end up being a bunch of money. Well, this is one of those toys that I would just put up, and you know, it probably will never be worth more than what I paid, but the box is just so damn cool. It's got some nice red flames on the top, some nice letters. It probably say some cool things like super fast, I don't know. And this is specifically made for the AE86. Now you can buy a catch can on eBay for like 10 bucks, 50 bucks or whatever. This one was quite expensive. I think it was over 100 bucks, maybe 150 bucks, something like that. But it's specific, so I don't have to make any brackets. I don't gotta buy any crap. I don't gotta make it look ugly. The car is gonna look nice, and the best part is it's gonna say Cusco. And who doesn't like their part saying Cusco? I know I do. Like this part right here, man. Without this sticker, I'd say the wire's worth 50 bucks. Now with this sticker, 200 plus. I mean, who cares about the carbon fiber? What I really want is the Cusco logo. That's a little satire there, but you know, some of it's true. I'm really excited. I held off. Like I said, I put this on the shelf for a couple weeks. I held off taking this thing out. I really wanted to. It's like unboxing a toy. It just, with the clear screen and all the nice cool flames and everything. And I really want to do it for a while. So let's get down to it and see what's in the box, except for a tin can. Alrighty, so I've got my assistant, Roxy girl. She's gonna oversight the procedure, see if, you know, this video is not going so well. She might intervene here. All right, opening up the action figure box. Wow, just what I expected, a can. I got the tubing, clamps, and the sticker. I told you about that sticker. The bracket, and a nice dent on my new catch can, unfortunately. So one thing I'm not too fond of are these tubes, because oil is not pretty, especially, you know, it might be kind of cool when it's gold, but then it gets all dark and crappy, and all the stuff that's getting sucked up in here is gonna be dark and crappy. So, I mean, it's cool to see that oil is going in the catch can, but it's kind of also nasty because this doesn't stay clear. This gets all gunky and black and gold and poopy brown, but you know, at least you know it's working, which is I guess why they did it. So I can't read much of the instructions, but it is pretty cool that it is still in 2023 that these were made. Crazy thing though is in 2023 they were hand drawing this stuff. You would think they would have some like computer program to make this look nice, but this guy literally drew out a picture of it and put it on the instructions. So I can still understand it, which is good. He has some good handwriting. Unfortunately, I can't understand the letters because they're in Chinese, but Japanese or whatever the hell it is. Here we go. This is the reason why I paid the big bucks here, because the bracket. Easy install is worth so much money. And I think it goes just like that. So, over the super descriptive diagram that was handwritten, thank God I'm a genius or I wouldn't have been able to decipher this. And we got it in. So there's a bolt right here, the top, that's an OEM bolt. And then I got the bolt that came with the kit down here, and it attaches to right over here on the other side. It's pretty tight, but you can get it done. And then if you need any help, you can fax them on this number right here, because I know all of y'all have a fax. Okay, now we grab the catch can and the bolt.
we should just be able to slide this on top of it. And boom, just like that, it's in.
So the last piece of the puzzle is to install the clear tube that's going to get dirty real fast. And we got 2 ports right here. I don't think it really matters because it's a can. So what we're going to do is we're going to install it on this one right here. Because I'm going to put a filter on this one just in case so nothing gets sucked up. But in the meantime, I don't have one, so I'm going to attach this one, and it's going to go through that hole up here, and it's going to go right there on that port.
And we forgot this. So, yeah, that's good. So it would have probably been best to do before. Okay, that's on there. And then you gotta grab this and stick it through. What I'm doing is I'm gonna stick it through the AC hole. It's right down here. And then to make it nice, I'm gonna go under here, and let's get the other clamp. Just like that, we're pretty much done. So I'm just gonna clamp these bad boys down. And doesn't look too great, but it'll definitely catch some stuff that shouldn't be in the engine. So I just clamped it down up here. And I mean, it doesn't have the nicest path. I have to say, I think I can make it a lot shorter, and I think I will. But for the meantime, that's where the hose is gonna go. And then the one down here, I just gotta clamp it in, and I think we'll be good to go. I gotta see what people are ordering for this one. I don't wanna leave it vent to the atmosphere just in case I go through like a dust storm or something, and then that would defeat the purpose of protecting my engine, just letting a bunch of dust in. But other than that, it's pretty sweet. It's blue, it's red, it's shiny. What more could you want? And it does something for the engine. So yeah, so that's what it looks like. Give it a nice polish right before a car show, and people will be like, huh, that's a nice can. That's a nice catch can. You don't really see people spending $125 on a catch can, but some idiot did, and that idiot's me. That is a Cusco catch can from Japan. You're gonna have to wait a pretty good time for it if you want it, because it does come from Japan, and they don't stock them in the US. But it does look good, and it does definitely look better than the eBay catch cans, that's for sure. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more content. I've got some cooler content coming. This is just the beginning of starting work on the 86 again. It's been a while, but I've had this for a little bit. I had some other parts for a little bit. I just haven't got around to installing them. So if you want more 86 content, make sure to subscribe down below, leave some comments, and I'll see you guys next one. Join the Discord, I forgot, and peace out.